Rules of derivatives, a topic that we've chosen for our basic calculus performance task. Let's proceed.
Derivatives. In mathematics, derivatives is the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable. The following are some of the rules of derivatives: constant function rule, identity rule, power rule, constant multiple rule, rule of linearity, and product rule.
Constant function rule. This rule involves a constant in the equation. This is applicable for all constants no matter what value it is. Therefore, the derivative of any constant is always 0. F of x is equals to d over dx times k is equals to 0. If f of x is equals to k, where k is any real number, then the derivatives is equals to 0. Number 2, f of x is equals to d over dx times 7 is equals to 0.
Identity rule. With this rule, the derivative of x will always be 1. For example, f of x is equals to x, the derivative of x is 1.
Power rule. Multiply the exponent by base then subtract the exponent by 1. For example number 1, we have 10x to the 4th power. We need to multiply the exponent by the base and then subtract the exponent by 1. So, we have 40x cubed. For number 2, 6y cubed, multiply the 3 by the 6 and then subtract the 3 by 1. We have 18y squared.
The constant multiple rule says the derivative of a constant multiplied by a function is the constant multiplied by the derivative of the function. For example, f of x 9x squared. We bring down the squared and minus 1 to the exponent, and it will bring us 2 times 9x equals to 18x.
Rule of linearity. Addition or subtraction. Linearity applies when we add or subtract functions and multiply them by constants of the equation. First, we have f prime of x is equal to x squared plus x plus 1. So dito, minus natin sa 1 lahat ng exponents. Kaya naging x raised to 2 minus 1 plus x raised to 1 minus 1 plus 1. Ibinaba natin yung exponent and minultiply sa coefficient kaya naging 2x plus 1 plus 0. Naging 0 yung 1 dahil dito sa rules of derivatives, any constant is always 0. Kaya ang final answer natin is 2x plus 1. Proceeding to number 2, we have f prime of x is equal to negative 4x minus 2. Iminus natin sa 1 lahat ng exponent kaya naging negative 4x raised to 1 minus 1 minus 2. Ibinaba natin yung 1 and minultiply sa negative 4 kaya naging negative 4 minus 0. And our final answer will be negative 4.
Last rule. Product rule is also a long one, but to remember it more quickly, don't forget the phrase first D, second plus, second D first.
And that is all for our presentation. I hope you learned something from our topic. Thank you for listening.